this needs a bigger motor, Dad. I think it's got plenty.
Got a lot of power.
Yeah,
And it has a bad bearings.
yeah, but it's flying. Absolutely.
Seems like it looks good.
Stunning. Oh my god, this thing is so cool! Oh!